Hey yo, what it do? It's your boy J Lou, and you are just in time for something new. Alright, now in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a washing style, but it's not gonna be just with any washing style. If you all are not familiar with Donna's recipe, these products right here, hands down, I've been just using different products throughout the years, and one of the blessings of being married to a black woman that happens to have naturally curly hair is they introduce you to some of the finer things in life, you know what I'm saying? And Donna's recipe is those products that, in my personal opinion, there's been a lot of companies over the years that have either sold themselves to other corporations and things of that nature, and the ingredients just fell off. But if you all don't know, they're made by Tabitha Brown. She's not only just an influencer and a YouTuber, but she is also a vegan chef. What I've learned over the years is people who have a background in culinary arts, such as cooking and things of that nature, they products it's on a different level, you know. And I haven't seen that she has an oil, you know, but in regards to everything else, she has the shampoo. This is a shampoo that she made, and then this is the conditioner that she made. These are the products that I'm going to be using today. One thing I do want to mention is whenever you do a washing style, you will need a do-rag, you will need a mirror, and then you will need a brush. The brush that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Torino Pro. This is the waterproof version of the brush, you know, and basically it's the best brush that I've ever used. You can find a link to a video of me going over this brush and why you should cop it. But with that being said, the last thing I want to say is most people, when they do washing styles, they only use shampoo. And one of the things that a lot of people don't know is shampoo is made to strip your hair of the natural oils, dandruff, dirt, grime, all of that kind of stuff like that. And it is to change your pH balance level. The purpose of a conditioner is to go back and restore your hair to its natural pH balance levels. You know what I'm saying? So I see a lot of wavers that do washing styles all the time, and all they ever use is shampoo. They put the shampoo in their hair, they brush it, they put the do-rag on, they rinse it out, and then they show you the results. And then that's one reason why people got to constantly do washing style, because you're not taking care of your hair, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shampoo, I'm going to condition, then I'm going to put the do-rag on my head, and then I'm going to rinse it all out with the do-rag on, you know what I'm saying? So let me just show you what my hair is looking like as of right now, you know. So this is my hair in its naturally curled state. I've been seeing a few people comment on my videos. I don't know if they just trying to prove that they know something, but they really don't. Because they'll say things like, you don't need a brush to get waves. A brush doesn't do anything to help you get waves. When the reality is you need to use a brush, a comb, or at least your hands or something. Because if I don't style my hair in any kind of way, I will not get waves. My hair will just curl up. You can see that my hair is curly, but because I've already been brushing, you can kind of see a wave pattern. But whenever I just kind of rinse my hair and don't do nothing to it, my hair will just start curling up like this, you know. So that being said, this is how the rest of my hair looks. Perfect. This is gonna be probably the most I'm talking in this video, but let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into the video. this is basically how my hair is looking right after doing the washing style. In my personal opinion, the right way, because if you got shampoo on your head, you never know if you get all the shampoo out. It's not a good look. It's better to make sure you always get the shampoo out. And then if you go back with the conditioner, even if you don't get all the conditioner out, it's not a bad thing. It's not as bad as leaving shampoo in, but this is what my results looking like. Now, keep in mind, I have not put any moisturizer in. I also have not put any oil in my hair as well. Typically, after I do a washing style, the product that I've been using, I just follow it up with the Donna's recipe. This is the hair cream. I'm probably make this a separate video, and then I glaze my Texas tea on top of it. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, after I add those two, waves be hitting harder than I leave. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all checking out this video. It's your boy J. Lou. Hope y'all have a great day, and I hope y'all have a blessed week. Salute.